Hi, today we're going to be doing a ShinePay installation on this Speed Queen machine. Today we're going to be installing the ALCD2-27 harness -PA1, which stands for power adapter. On this type of machine, any machine with a power adapter, external power adapter, is going to be a very similar installation. So that's one thing to note. In this type of installation, we are running power externally. Now, the first part of any ShinePay installation is to make sure the machine is unplugged and that the display is off, and we've done that. And I've already gone through the liberty of removing these two screws at the top here, one here and one here. And then if we come around to the back, there's a screw right here that we've removed and right here that we've removed. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take this power adapter that we see here, and we're essentially going to take this end of the power adapter that we see here, and we're going to lift up the corner of the machine here, and we're essentially going to just sneak this side of the power adapter right in there, just like that. So you can see the cable is just coming right off that notch that's already there. So there's no drilling or anything you need to do. We're just going to come right out of the back of the machine like that. The next thing we can do is then take our screws that we just removed, and we're just going to go ahead and screw those back in, securing this back panel of the machine. Here's one. We'll go ahead and do the same thing here. Great. So now that we've got the external power supply here on the back of the machine, we're going to come back to the front of the machine. And we're going to lower this display. And so here we can see back in this corner, here is that power adapter that we just installed. And so we're going to take our harness, and we're going to go ahead and plug in our harness to that power adapter. So now you can see we've got the power adapter that comes out of the back of the machine, and then here is our 27 harness. The next thing we're going to do is we're just going to take this whole thing. It's got the coin input and output, and now it has power to it, and we're going to just feed it through this hole right here. And now it's going to be inside of the box up top here. So if we go ahead and open this box, we can now see inside that we have the connector for the spark, which is here, and we've got the coin input and output, which we have here. So what we're going to do is just take our ShinePay Spark and plug that in, as you can see here, place that in, and then we're going to find our coin input from the machine, which is here, and we're just going to match the shapes. So here's the ShinePay harness, this is from the machine. We're just going to snap those in together like that. So that's great. And then if you want to accept coins, you're going to go ahead and plug in the other adapter to the coin input. If you don't want to accept coins, you can leave that unplugged, but in this case we're going to plug it in. So now we're just going to go ahead and close this up, and we're going to go ahead and close this up. And so now we've got the ShinePay Spark that's connected to the coin input and output of the machine, and we've got the external power supply, which we did at the very beginning, which you can see here, that's now coming out of the back of the machine. So the last part is going to be plugging them in. So now we need to plug in the external power supply, which will power the ShinePay Spark, and then we're just going to go ahead and plug in the machine. And so now we've got the machine and the ShinePay Spark installed. And as you can see, the display is on, and the machine has its pay with your phone sticker and the associated QR code label, and the machine is ready to transact. Thank you.